Hey y'all, welcome back to another Dollar Tree Christmas DIY video. Today's video I will be, well, as you can see the picture, this is a Dollar Tree glass cutting board. I am super excited about this one. This was my first time doing this. I had these glass cutting boards for a while, so I decided to go ahead and make something Christmassy. I obviously used my Cricut machine, and I went ahead and printed out the red Christmas truck, and then I went ahead and printed out the words Merry Christmas and then some snowflakes. Now, I know a lot of you do not have a Cricut machine. You can, I think that you can Mod Podge images onto this as well, or you can buy stencils like this on like Etsy. I've seen them for like $1 or $2. If you don't have a Cricut machine to make this yourself, you can also use letters. I've seen some people use letters that they sell at the Dollar Tree, like stick-on letters, but I think this is totally cute. I'm also going to make some for my regular, just everyday decor. I do want to make this one. Well, I won't tell you what it is. I'll just go ahead and make it into a video. But I think this turned out super cute. Now, I will say I had some trouble with the vinyl. I have several brands of vinyl. For me, I've tested out certain brands, and there's ones that I like and ones that I do not like. The one that I used in this video, I did not like. They just were not sticking very well, and I've obviously used my Cricut machine. I've Cricuted other things in my home, but like I said, I purchased different brands of vinyl just because vinyl is very expensive. So sometimes I do purchase the ones that are less, maybe like 80 cents a sheet, and then I do purchase the expensive ones that are like $3 a sheet. So obviously the ones that are a little cheaper are harder to work with. So yeah, so what I did here was I printed out the red truck, and then I went ahead, when I printed it on my Cricut machine, I went ahead and hit the mirror button, just because I was going to stick this onto the back of the cutting board. Now the cutting board has 4 risers in the corner, so I went ahead and stuck the Christmas truck behind. So when I printed it on my Cricut machine, I made sure that it was a mirror image. So when I go ahead and stick it on the back, when I flip it, the truck is facing the right way. And I played with it, and the snowflakes that you'll see in the video, I went ahead and put some on top of the cutting board, and then I went ahead and put some behind it as well. So this was, like I said, my first time using this cutting board, this glass cutting board, and I really liked how it turned out. So I hope y'all enjoy it.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah, I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Yeah, they said, "Say Nick, what you got up in that bag?" Yeah, I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Yeah, frozen.
Alright guys, so I printed out the words Merry Christmas, and I will actually be sticking this on the front of the cutting board. Now this cutting board I will not be using for anything but just decor. If you were trying to decorate a cutting board that you use on a regular basis, like cut some veggies or whatever you want to cut on top, then of course you want to make sure that the vinyl, anything that you're sticking on this, is on the back, just like I did the truck. Now the words Merry Christmas I did put in the front. Like I said, I was testing it out, and like I said, I will not be using this for food. This is just decor. So just wanted to point that out, that if you are going to use these cutting boards for food or to cut anything that you stencil, you want to put behind it.
Prancer and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
While the snow is gently falling, we keep busy until late, 'cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red man will not wait. So we better get to move on. Let's bring on the evergreens. Keep the chimney clean, you know what I mean, 'cause tomorrow is the day. I can hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house, and the radio keeps singing what the season's all about. From upstairs we hear the laughter from the ones that
Alright guys, that is it. I think it looks super cute. There it is on my windowsill. I think I might put it on one of those picture holders. I'm not sure yet. But then I went ahead and put it with the rest of my decor, and I just think it looks super cute, y'all. I love the whole red truck and the red and the green and the white. I think it really pops. I might do another Christmas one like this, I'm not sure, but like I said, this was my first time using their cutting boards. I honestly have not seen anymore. I got these cutting boards back in the springtime, so hopefully they'll come out with some new ones, but I just put it right here on this table where I have all my other DIYs that I've made so far. And then I wanted to show y'all our letter board. So I had my stepdaughter come up with a Christmas saying, and it looks like we ran out of letters because she wrote the letter H on a piece of paper. I thought we all laughed at that. That was super funny. But anyway guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all on my next one.